In this video, I'll show you how to go live on Twitch. I will show you how to go live on both PC and phone. Alright, on PC, just head over to your Twitch account. Now once you're in here, click on your profile at the top right. Now go to Creator Dashboard. Alright, as you can see here in the left pane, if you don't see it, just go ahead and click on the arrow right here to pop this out. Now in here, you're going to want to go to Settings. Now click on Stream. Once done, as you can see here, here's your primary stream key. Just go ahead and hit on Copy. Now once that's done, you're going to want to open up your streaming service. For example, here I'm using Streamlabs OBS. Now what we're going to do is just click on the gear icon right here at the bottom left. Now go to Stream. In here, you'll be able to see your stream key right here, but this will only be available and it is permanent when you sign in here using your Twitch account. All right. Now, if, let's say, for example, that you're not signed into your Twitch account, just go ahead and click on this stream type right here. All right. And click on Custom Streaming Server. In here, just go ahead and delete this one. Paste your stream key. You'll be able to verify your stream key by just showing the eyes right here and confirm it right here on your Twitch account as well. Now, once that's done, just hit on Done right here and just go live. All right. Now, if you want me to teach you how to set up your games for you to be able to stream your games or whatever it is that you would like to share on your computer, just let me know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right. Now, to go live on phone, just go ahead over to your Twitch account, open the app. Now, once you're in here, just tap on the plus icon right here at the very bottom. All right. Now, if you want to stream just your phone's camera, which is broadcast your live wherever you are, just tap on it. Now, if you want to stream games, tap on this one right here. All right. Say, for example, you wanted to stream Mobile Legends, Brawl Stars. Just select the game right here, tap on it, and you'll see a highlight, and then hit on Continue. Now, once that's done, just go ahead and put in the title right here, Test for YouTube. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and select your stream language right here by just tapping the drop down. All right. Select your language. Now, if you want a custom notification, just go ahead and change this one. All right. Like for example, yeah, boy is live. All right. Once that's done, go ahead and use the slider right here. If you want your mic low or off, just right in the middle and to high. All right. VOD settings right here. Automatically save a broadcast for up to 7 days. All right. There'll be a pop-up right here. Twitch will start capturing everything that's displayed on your screen. Now just go ahead and start now. And as you can see here, here is your stream manager. All right. And the stream preview will be shown here. Now as you can see here, tap below to go live on Twitch. Let's just tap on this one. Now we are rolling. You can see that you're live when there is a live icon right here besides the Twitch logo. And in here, this will turn red when you're currently live. And when you view your activity right here on notification, you'll receive it begins, completed. You'll get this the first time you streamed on your channel. All right, there you have it. Now to stop this, just go ahead and tap on the red button right here. Go ahead over to your stream manager. Tap on the live button right here besides the Twitch icon. And as you can see here, this is the live view of our stream. Now to stop this, just head over to the stream button again, tap on it, and as you can see, it has ended. Well, that's how you go live on Twitch. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.